And the next topic is philosophy of the Constitution. We will discuss what the means of preamble in this video. And the next topic is preamble. Preamble means the Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic values, and this is known as the preamble to the Constitution. Every constitution have a preamble. You can say the introductory part of an constitution is known as preamble. The preamble of the constitution contains the philosophy of which the entire constitution has been built. It provides a standard to examine and evaluate any law and action of the government to find out whether it is good or bad. You can say it is the soul of Indian Constitution. It's read like a poem on democracy. Values that inspired and guided the freedom struggle and were in turn nurtured by it formed the foundation for India democracy. These values are involved in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. They guide, they tell us all the articles of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution begins with a short statement of its basic value. This is known as preamble of the Indian Constitution. It means preamble आपका एक short statement है कि आपके Constitution में कौन कौन सी वैल्यूज़ इन्वॉल्व की गई हैं. इट इज़ ब्रीफ टेल अस ऑल द लॉज एंड एक्शन ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, या यू कैन से इट इज़ द सोल ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. Here are some given ideals of the preamble of the Indian Constitution. And the first is, we the people of India. It means the Constitution has been drawn up and enacted by the people through their representative and not handed down to them by a king or any outside powers. It means the real power in the hand of common people, because common people ने जिन person को choose किया है, जो आपका representative है, वही आपको रूल करेगा. इट मीन्स कोई किंग और अदर आउटसाइड पर्सन के पास पावर नहीं होंगी. द रियल पावर इन द हैंड ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज सॉवरन. सॉवरन मीन्स पीपल हैव सुप्रीम राइट टू मेक डिसीजन एज वेल एज एक्सटर्नल मैटर. नो एक्सटर्नल पावर कैन डिक्टेट द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. एक कंट्री को सॉवरन कंट्री तभी बोलेंगे जब वो अपने इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल मैटर पे डिसीजन खुद ले. नो एक्सटर्नल पावर कैन कंट्रोल द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. दैट द मीन्स ऑफ सॉवरन. कॉमन पीपल को किसी और की कंसेंट की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि कोई उसे कंसेंट अपनी देगा तो वो अपना इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल डिसीजन लेगा. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज सोशलिस्ट. It means wealth is generated socially and should be shared equally by society. It means जो wealth है, it means wealth is generated equally by the government. Poor people cannot fulfill their basic needs. तो गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है, जो भी रिच पीपल है उन पे टैक्सेस ज़्यादा लगाती है. लैंडलेस फार्मर है, उन्हें कुछ लैंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करती है गवर्नमेंट. मीन्स गवर्नमेंट को जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है वेल्थ का, इट शुड बी इक्वली डिवाइडेड बिटवीन द रिच पीपल एंड द पुअर पीपल. एंड द नेक्स्ट इज सेकुलर. इंडिया इज ए सेकुलर कंट्री. इट मीन्स वेयर सिटीजन हैव कंप्लीट फ्रीडम टू फॉलो एनी रिलीजन, but there is no officially religion. Government treat all religion, belief and practice with equal respect. All religion are equal in the eye of the government. And the next point is democratic. A form of government where people enjoy equal political rights, elect their rulers and hold them accountable. Means India is a democratic country where people have choose their representative. It means you have right to vote, you can choose your ruler. And the next point is republic. The head of the state is an elected person and it's not a hereditary position. It means real power in the hand of the common people. That's why you have to choose your representative. And the next point is justice. Citizen cannot be discriminated on the ground of caste, religion and gender. Social inequality have to be reduced. Government should work for the welfare of all, especially for the disadvantaged group. Means every person is equal in the eye of the law. No one is superior and inferior. And the next point is liberty. Liberty means freedom. There are no unreasonable restriction on the citizen about what they think, how they wish to express their thoughts, and what the way they wish to follow up their thoughts in action. And the next point is equality. All are equal before the law. The traditional social inequality have to be ended. The government should ensure equal opportunity for all. And the last point is fraternity. All of us should behave as we are member of the same family. No one should treat a fellow citizen as inferior. It means no one is superior or inferior. You all are behave just like a family members. So these are the some basic ideals given in your preamble. Again, I repeat, the first point is we the people of India. It means the constitution has been made up and enacted by the people through their representative. It not a particular king or monarch. It means the real power in the hand of the common people. जो आपका constitution है वो आपके representative ने ही बनाया है. The second point is sovereign. Sovereign it means people have supreme right कि he can easily take their internal and external matter. It means एक country के पास इतनी power होनी चाहिए कि they can easily take their internal and external, कि दूसरी country का उसके ऊपर कोई control नहीं होना चाहिए. That the means of sovereign. And the third is socialist. Socialist it means wealth is generated equally, should be shared equally by all the society. And the next is secular. India is a secular country. It means citizens have complete freedom to follow any religion. It means all the religions are equal in the eye of the law. And the next is democratic. India is a democratic country. It means people choose their representative, the real power in the hand of the common people. The next is republic. It means the head of the state is an elected person, not a king or monarch. The next point is liberty. Liberty means freedom. There are no unreasonable restriction on the citizen about they think, how they wish to express their thoughts, and the way they wish to follow up their thoughts in action. It means उनके ऊपर कोई भी अनरीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस नहीं होने चाहिए. इट मीन्स जो उनके फ्रीडम को इनक्रोच करे, कैन ईजिली एक्सप्रेस देयर फीलिंग. The last point is equality. All are equal before the law. It means inequality have to be removed. And the last point is fraternity. It means all of us should behave like a family members. No one should treat a superior or inferior.